How old are you? How old are you?
I am 17 years old. I am 17 years old.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from United States. I am from United States.
What's this? What's this?
This is my luggage bag. This is my luggage bag.
What's the time? What's the time?
It is 6:30. It is 6:30.
What do you like? What do you like?
I like chocolate. I like chocolate.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in New York. I live in New York.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
How are you today? How are you today?
I am fine today. Thank you. I am fine today. Thank you.
What's the weather like? What's the weather like?
The weather is sunny. The weather is sunny.
Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. Yes, I slept well.
Any plans for the evening? Any plans for the evening?
No specific plans for the evening. No specific plans for the evening.
Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work?
Yes, I finished my work. Yes, I finished my work.
What time is the meeting? What time is the meeting?
The meeting is at 3 p.m. The meeting is at 3 p.m.
How's your family doing? How's your family doing?
My family is doing well. My family is doing well.
Did you exercise today? Did you exercise today?
No, I didn't exercise today. No, I didn't exercise today.
How about this? How about this?
I don't know about this. I don't know about this.
Are you going? Are you going?
I am not going. I am not going.
When to go? When to go?
By tomorrow. By tomorrow.
Are you coming? Are you coming?
I am not coming. I am not coming.
At what time you will come? At what time you will come?
I will come at 8 p.m. I will come at 8 p.m.
How is your brother? How is your brother?
He has caught cold. He has caught cold.
Is he well? Is he well?
Yes, he is well. Yes, he is well.
Who is he? Who is he?
He is my friend. He is my friend.
What brings you here? What brings you here?
I had some work. I had some work.